Eventually, as much as you love the chair, you're gonna have to get out. And when you do, it's literally a one-click button. And when you're getting out of the chair, the most important thing to do is to have your strong leg all the way back and your weaker leg, or if it's just the leg you would rather not put much pressure on, that one's up front. And as this rises, this position that I'm in right now is going to give you 4 different benefits. One, because it's lifted like this leg here is going to stop any sliding that you might want to feel, or it might feel in general. And when you get out of the chair, if you have a problem with this leg, like actually I do right now, it's going to stop the pain because you're not getting any pressure on that leg. If you'll notice, my leg is still touching the chair. And I'm going to tell you a secret. No one has ever fallen and broken a hip. They break a hip, and that's why they fall. We just say it backwards. We say, oh, poor fella, yeah, he fell and broke a hip. We also say the sun rises. It doesn't. We say that backwards. But when you're standing in this position, if you get a little dizzy after standing up, your brain will immediately put you back down because you've got a point of reference. But naturally, if you stand up this way and you get a little dizzy, you're going to want to go out and eventually put a lot of pressure on that hip. And when you do that, that's the case in where you could actually break a hip and fall. And the last thing is, you're in the most stable position, like this. This is the position boxers, MMA fighters, those type of folks stand in when they actually are in combat. This is the standard safe position. 4 different positions or 4 different scenarios that this gives you. Stops the slide, stops the pain, it's safe, and it's very stable. So when you get out, you just want to get out like this. It's so much more protective of you, and the chair actually helps you do that.